Hello guys, so today I want to explain how the register 74LS195 can store data in terms of serial manner. Now I know you all know how to connect how the system works in terms of parallel manner. So that's what we have been doing all along. This is a parallel input, this is a parallel output, which comes to these LEDs. Now for us to achieve a serial input parallel output, we have the JK inputs, which are going to be represented by these two switches, and they come to pin number 2 and pin number 3 as shown by the manufacturer. And also there's an input, but this one is internally the clock, and you can see it's looped, so it means that these two points are going to receive the same clock pulse. So we have the J input, which normally is used to feed 1, and the K is normally used to feed 0. So if we press J, it's going to feed 1 like that. You can see that 1 bit goes like that. If you press K, okay, nothing is going to happen because you cannot see it feeding 0, although already it's 0. If we try a new combination like 1 0 1 0, like we press 1, we press 0, then 1, then 0, then 1, then 0. So you see it's continue to feed the data as I'm inputting in the input section, yeah, like that. So how the system really performs this, it's because it has a JK flip-flop inside of the IC. And if, let's say, in the first beginning of the part of the circuit, the Q bar is 1, so if it's 1, it means that this point is going to be 1. It's going to feed 1 in this point of the AND gate, and also this 1 is going to feed this part of the NOR gate. So it means that if you press J and the clock signal goes high, the AND gate is going to give a 1 output. That 1 output is going to match this one, and for a NOR gate, if it goes 1 1, it's going to output 0. So that 0 comes as the output, and that output is what we get in the Q output here, Q. If in the next clock, or if in the next operation, this one is 1, the Q is 1 and the Q bar is 0, this 1 is going to come and enter in this point of the NOR gate. Also this one is going to come and enter this part of the K AND gate. So if you press K and it goes high and the clock signal goes high, it means that this AND gate is going to give a 1 output. That 1 output is going to match this 1 output, and then the output will become as 0, and that's how they alternate. Yeah, that's how they alternate. They cannot be both 1 or both 0. They have to alternate like that. So that's how the system accepts data in terms of serial manner. So the J feeds 1, and then the K feeds 0. So you can try as many combinations as you want. Yes. So this is what I want to show you guys today. I hope you have learned. If you have any questions, you can still ask. Yeah, I just wanted to show you how the IC can be fed data in terms of serial manner before we go on to the parallel, because that's what you're going to measure in. So thank you very much guys for your time. Please subscribe and follow Tronics Energy. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.